Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, the IoT Academy. My name is Ankit Roy.
एंड माई नेम इज श्रेयांश तिवारी। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे गूगल एड्स की
What are they? Why do we use them?
एंड हाउ टू मेक ऑप्टिमाइज्ड गूगल एड। सो लेट्स डाइव इन।
सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं Google Ads की। It is an online advertising platform developed by Google. It allows businesses and individuals to create and display advertisement on Google search engine result page, as well as on the other Google properties like YouTube and Play Store, and a vast network of partner websites.
नाउ वाई टू यूज गूगल एड्स। गूगल एड्स एक पावरफुल टूल है जिसे आप ऑनलाइन एडवर्टाइज कर सकते हो और इसके काफ़ी बेनिफिट्स होते हैं। फर्स्ट, टारगेटेड एडवर्टाइजिंग। विद दिस यू कैन रीच द पीपल who are actually interested in your product and services or in your brand. Second, flexible budget. Google Ads में आपको बजट की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिलती है जिसे स्मॉल या बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कोई भी यूज कर सकता है। थर्ड, measurable results. You can track and measure the performance of your ad. Allows you to refine your campaign for better results.
Fourth, various ad format. Google Ads में आपको diverse ad format मिलते हैं like text, display, video and apps. And fifth one is global reach. With Google Ads, you can reach people around the globe and target them. अब next आते हैं how to set up your Google Ads account. To get started with Google Ads, follow these steps. First, go to the Google Ads website. Second, click Start Now. Third, sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have a Google account. And the last is follow the on-screen instruction to set up your first Google campaign. Google Ads में आपको 5 तरह के ऑप्शन मिलते हैं. These are search ad, video ad, display ad, apps ad and shopping ads. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे Google Search Ads की. Google Search Ad वो ad होते हैं जो हमें सर्च इंजन रिजल्ट पेज पे दिखते हैं. We come across them when we use Google to search our queries. This ad is in text form and contains headlines, description and landing URLs. Now the question is how to create Google search ads. Step 1. Log into your Google Ads account. Step 2. Click on Create button. Step 3. Choose the campaign option to create a new campaign. Step 4. Choose the correct objective as you want to achieve using the ads which aligns with your goals. And this is very important step as it decides the effectiveness of your ads. Step 5. Click on the continue option given below. Step 6. Click on the campaign type from the options which appears. In our case, we will use search options as we are creating search ads. Step 7. Now you will get the option by entering the URL where you want to see your visitors by clicking the ads. You will also get the option to choose on how to capture your leads if you are going for a lead objective. Step 8. Enter a desired campaign name that you can remember and recognize. Step 9. On the next screen, the first option which you will see is bidding. Here you can choose the bid strategy which you want to go and how Google will bid for your ads. You can also set a target cost per action. Step 10. The next option you will came across is campaign setting. In this, we choose network option on which your ads are to be shown. Location option for where the ads are to be shown. Language option and audience segment where we choose which type of audience we are targeting. In end, we have ad scheduling option to choose from. Step 11. Next, we get keywords and ads option. In this, you can choose the keywords you want to show the search ads for. If the user uses any of the keywords given in their query, your ad will pop up based on the conditions given by the Google.
Step 12. Under the keyword option, we have an ad option. Here we provide site link, description, headline and callout. We can have a maximum 15 headline and 4 description. Step 13. Lastly, we have an option of adding your average daily budget for the campaign. And the last step is review your ad and submit for review. After a successful review, your ad will be published.
So that is all about Google Ads and one of its types, which is Google Search Ads. In the next video, we will cover other types of Google Ads and its important attributes.
So stay tuned and updated by subscribing our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon and hit the like button. And comment down below your views.
Thanks for watching.